What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Windows 11 update error code KB5062553 error. Your device is missing important security update that is happening and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about we need to pause and restart the update. So to do so, we just need to go over here, search for settings, then click on the settings. Now from here we have to navigate to Windows Update, and over here you can see there is a pause update. So as you can see, this has been set into 1 week. For some time this might be set into 5 weeks, so just change into 1 week, or you can change into 5 weeks. It's all depend on it. Make sure this has been set into pause for a particular duration. If it is already in 1 week, you can set it to 2 or 5 weeks. Just change from what it is already done. Then you have to move to the next step. Next step is all about we need to add or start App Readiness services. So just go over here, search for services, and you have to click on this one. Now from here you can see there is App Readiness. You have to select this, right click and go to the properties. Make sure if it is startup type is manual, you have to change it to automatic, and also make sure you just need to apply, and also make sure the service status is stopped, so we have to start it. Now just wait for a couple of minutes, then just go for OK, and you have to check it. Next one, we need to run the update troubleshooter. So just go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings. Now from here we need to go to Windows Update, not Windows Update, just go to System, scroll down and navigate to Troubleshoot, go to Other Troubleshoots. Now from here there is an option called Windows Update. Just click on Run over here. So what happens is the update will be running over here in the background, so which is going to take a lot of time. So this is actually a tool default by Windows itself. What happens is it will be cross-checking whether we are going through any kind of issue and all those things, and it will be asking some questions whether we are going through any kind of issue or not. So from here we need to select what is our issue. For me, I'm having an issue with I can't download, install or uninstall an update, so I have to select this one. Now they're going to give you some kind of these, whether we wanted to run any kind of diagnostics, so you can just go for yes. Most probably this doesn't work all the time, but even though I'm recommending you can try this out. Next one, once you're done with this one, we have to move to the next one. That is all about you need to scroll down, you have to close this, and you just need to go back. And next one, we need to restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Both should be done. So just go over here, search for the services and click on this one. From here we need to turn on both these things. So first one, Windows Update. So keep scrolling down and navigate to W. Now from here we'll be able to find Windows Update. So even if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to find Windows Update. Now from here we need to right click and go to the properties. Now from here make sure the startup type is being set into automatic, and also make sure it is running. So if it is not running, you have to make sure that you click on the start icon and make sure this one it should be set into fine. Similarly, we have to go to Background Intelligent Transfer. So go over here at the top, and here we have Background Intelligent Transfer. Right click and go to the properties. Make sure if it is stopped, you have to change it to automatic. Make sure it is start. Once you start this up, you just need to go over here. Once you're done with this one, we have to go for apply and go for OK. Now once done, we have to move to the next one. That is all about we should be using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So to do so, we just need to go over here, open this, and this is Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So scroll down over here to this link which I'll be providing in the video description. Now just go over here, click on download now. So what happens is the Windows Installation Assistant is download. We just need to run this particular one, and you have to check on your system, and this is what you have to do. Parallelly, we have to try a few more steps. That is all about we need to try or use Microsoft Update Catalog. That's very important. So you can just go over here. I'll be providing a link in the description. So this is actually the Microsoft Update Catalog from the Microsoft itself. And we need to type the KB number here. In order to know the KB number, we just need to go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings. Now from here navigate to Windows Update, go to update history, and from here we need to select the latest update. That is this one, that is KB5062553. So this is the update. So we just need to select this particular one. And now from here what we need to do is we just need to go to the update catalog, and here we need to type it and just go for search. Now we can see these are the available systems. So in my case I have to download this one because mine is x64 based one. So I have to select this one. So what happens is a new window will be popping up. Now from here you have to select the details, like the package details, install resources is there. Now from here you have to select the required one and you have to download this particular one. Once you download this particular package details over here, once you download this one, you have to install it. After successfully installed, you have to close everything and you have to move to the next step. Even this might work. If this is not working, we have to move to the next one. That is, we need to reset Windows Update components. So to do so, we just need to, I'll be providing this. There are a lot of commands, as you can see, right? These are some of the commands. So what I'll do is I'll be providing these commands in the video description. So you just need to copy this particular one. Just copy this. Okay, you have to go over here at the top. You just need to copy all the commands. So make sure everything is copied. Now once everything is copied over here like this, you can see, you just need to go over here, go to your desktop, right click and create a notepad. You can create a notepad, okay, and randomly you just need to open it. Then you just need to remove this. You can just remove this and you can just paste it. Then you can go to file and go for save as. While saving, you need to type or you need to give the name as it indicate. You should be giving the name wuafix.bat. So copy this and you have to give it the name wuafix.bat and change into all files. And make sure that you save this particular one to the desktop. You have to do it on the desktop. You have to do it on the desktop and go for save. Now close this. Now we can see it has been saved as wuafix. So what we need to do is just go over here, right click and go for run as administrator and go for yes. So guys, this particular one is going to take a lot of time. So we just need to wait for this one. And after it's successfully done, you have to close this and move to the next step. Next step is all about, we just need, after doing this, after making this particular entire process is completely done, we have to do a restart on a system so that it will be changed. Then you just need to go back and you have to check. Next one is all about, we need to use option fix problem using Windows Update. So that is over here. Just go over here, search for settings, click on the settings. Now from here navigate to system, scroll down and navigate to recovery, and from here we have to go to an option called fix this problem using Windows Update. Just click on reinstall now. So what happens is reinstall your current version of Windows. So everything will be preserved and you have to check with this particular step. After reinstalling now, you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Or you can just move to the last step, that is all about using the media creation tool, which I'm not recommending. You don't have to do this, but you can just skip this if you wanted to. And these are the steps in order to fix the issue KB5062553. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.